Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to take up very simple basic sentence structures and I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to come up with sentences with that sentence structure, and your task will be to make more such sentences, right? And see if you're able to come up with new sentences in English or not. Okay, so I'll give you a pattern, I'll give you a sentence structure, and I'm going to give enough examples also of sentences, but your task will be to start using that sentence structure in your own sentences as well. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Now guys, another important thing I would like to tell you is if you want to utilize a medium to start interacting in English, this is the platform for you. My comment section is open. You can start posting sentences, or you can start posting topics, or you can start posting any idea which you have in your mind or you want to speak up and start interacting with others on this platform. Right? You can make groups also. You can come up with groups also to start speaking in English as well. Right? So utilize my comment section and come up with different ideas so that you can make it interactive for you also, and it will help you as a platform also to start speaking, thinking and writing and practicing in English. Okay, now let's get back to the topic. So the first sentence structure I'm going to use is I am. I am. Let's see how many sentences we can make with it. Okay, I am speaking. I am shooting. I am sitting. I am walking. I am eating. I am good. I am fine. I am playing, etc. Right? Lot many sentences you can make with this sentence structure, I am. Okay, now let's add something more to it. Let's say I am going out. Okay, I've added going like ing form. I am going out. I am playing cricket, ing form of verbs. Okay, I am watching a movie. I am watching television. I am going for shopping. Right? So another sentence structure. I am ing verb and the activity which action which you are doing. Okay, so this is another sentence structure. Now let's take another structure. In the same way, you can say I am riding a bike, I am driving a car, I am swimming in the pool, I am going for a morning walk. So you are just stretching the sentence. You are making the sentence bigger by adding ing verb and then the action. Okay, so this is another format. Next, what you can do is you can change the word I. You replace I with he, she, it or they. He is going out. He is going for a morning walk. He is swimming in the pool. He is reading a book. She is playing basketball. She is going to school. She is watching a movie. They are playing in the park. They are going for shopping. They are singing a song. They are dancing. Okay, so this is a basic sentence structure which I've taken. I've come up with so many sentences. I am an action, then I am plus ing verb and then action. Okay, And then the next is you have to change I with, replace I with he, she, it or they. Okay, and then you can start making, again you can start making sentences with those in the same format. Okay, so this is another sentence structure which I've just spoken about. Now you can replace they with some other noun, like children are playing in the park, children are enjoying the party, teachers are teaching in the class, the trainer is taking a session. So it's all about ing verb and then the action. So this is a format which you have to use, right? So keep it in mind, what is the format which you can use. I'm just talking about very general basic grammar. I'm not getting into complete grammar rule, the noun, verb, adjective, adverb. I'm not getting into that. I'm just talking about a layman so that you can understand the forms, basically the sentence format and the sentence structure, to come up with a simple sentence on your own. Okay, so this is the way how you do it, and these are very basic. You can just talk about anything in this way. As in yesterday's session, I've just taken a ball and I have described that. I've taken a painting and I've described that. And I've taken a situation also and I've described that, right? In the same way, these are the forms which are very simple and basic, and you can make many sentences out of it. Just by adding an ing form and the action after that, you can make many sentences and you can talk about a lot of things in English with this structure. Okay. Start using this, start making sentences with this, and see how many sentences you can come up with, and you will definitely be able to do it. I'm sure about it. Now this is the present tense. I'm talking about the present. In the same way, you can talk about the past. I am walking. How can we use this in a past tense? I was walking. I am walking. I was walking. Future tense. I will be walking. I will be going out. Or I went out. Okay, so this is how you talk about in the past and future. Okay, was, and the future, I will be. You will be going out. I will be going for shopping. I'll be going for a sport. I'll be going to the gym. He will be coming to my place. She will meet me at school. I met my friend in the mall. Past tense. Okay, so when you're using present, you can use the same sentence as past and the same sentence as future also, right? So you have to just change the verb and you have to use it. So what you can do is, when you're studying grammar, just see what all you can see, the forms of verbs which you can use for past, present and future tenses. Okay, this is how slowly you have to get into grammar. Okay, like for example, I am, I was, I were. Okay, then let's take another example. I am eating, I was eating, I will be eating. Okay, now in the same way, like I am eating, eat is an action which we are doing. So here we can, this action also has different forms. Okay, eat, ate. Past, I ate an apple yesterday. Okay, so eat, ate. Sleep, slept. Walk, walked. Walking. Eat, ate, eaten, eating. Okay, so these are the forms of action also, right? So you have to check these also. You have to go through a list of words also, what forms which we can use in present tense, past tense and future tense also. These are very important, guys. So that is why don't get scared of grammar. It is going to help you. You just have to focus on the sentence structure and formation. Okay, what kind of words and forms we can use? The verb, the action, the noun, the pronouns, adverb, auxiliary verbs, etc. There are lots of words which we use in different forms to express different tenses: present, past, future. Okay, so this is how you will learn. So start using these formats which I've just spoken. These are very basic initial forms which you can start using, and in this way, when you'll go ahead with sentences, you will get to know, you will understand what forms of words you can use, whether you should use eat, whether you should use ate or eaten or eating, etc. These are very simple. Just go ahead with making sentences, guys. Start making sentences with these sentence structure. And if you get stuck, just see what forms of words which we can use in present, past and future tenses, and you will get an idea. There's no hurry, there's no worry, it's not difficult at all, guys. Go slow, go easy, but start making sentences. Start speaking about things in this way. Start talking about basic general conversational topics like what you did, your daily routine. If you start speaking about a lot, many sentences will come in this. I went for a walk, or I am going for a walk. I met my friend outside. I saw people walking. Simple basic sentences which I've just spoken to you about. The format: a verb, an action, maybe an ing form, a verb and an action, right? So there are lot many sentences which you can make with this basic sentence structure, and divide it into present, past and future. So whenever you are talking about present, try to make a sentence with past and future also, future tense also, and you will get to know what kind of words or forms of words you can use to express that tense. Like in past tense, what kind of verb or the form of word is used, and the same way what kind of word or verb can be used in future tense also. Okay, so you will gradually learn this. So start from basics, start from simple structures, and you will be able to speak maximum English very confidently and fluently. Trust me on this. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.